Hey traders, it's Steve from the Stock Index Trading Room. And in this week's video teaching and presentation, we're going to share with you the first in a 3 or 4 week series of advanced trading methods of master traders. And we're going to show you trapping techniques and how you can find yourself on the side of the market that has the strength and power and setup to trap unsuspecting traders versus being caught and squeezed out. It is the major key to successful trading. If you've never read this, do so. That makes it legal. I'm going to read 2 slides really quickly. Finding yourself in front of future price movement is the dream you have always held. And you know it is the holy grail of successful trading. You may or might not know it is the overwhelming difference between traders that thrive, the few that thrive, and the rest that are just like sort of tend to be behind a step or two and are trying to keep our head above water. Okay. Is it even possible to continually find yourself in front of future price movement most of the time as you trade? And of course it is. If it wasn't, master traders would not be master traders. They would not be super successful. But they are. That's why they are master elite successful traders. You can do it with a poke and hope approach, and I see that continually in new folks coming into the room, thinking, well, if we don't go up, we'll go down, and yeah, it leads to whipsaw and just a lot of things that are not going to end up well for traders that view the market that way. But I can assure you, this is not the approach of winning master traders. So how do we achieve this dream come true? It's much simpler than you think. I hope you choose to believe in it. It will change your trading trajectory. Now, the key is order flow. And here's why. I've got order flow leads future price, and it does, period. Order flow leads future price, period, period, period. It does. But here's one step further. Order flow creates future price. Indeed, it's the only thing that creates future price movement is order flow. Now, the ability to find and exploit emerging order flow before price responds is indeed the key to kingdom for all day traders. And depending on what you're using to do that, you can have tremendous success with that if your order flow leads are accurate and advanced. Now, that's not simple to do. And we're going to show you Trap Trader Oscillator. We're going to show you some real simple patterns. Don't confuse simple with random or non-powerful. Trap Trader Oscillator does hundreds of calculations per bar as it's reading order flow, and volume is one component of order flow, but there are other things to it. TTOA is a 4th generation indicator that shows a lot of things. It shows where unknowing traders are trapped on the wrong side of the market, and we use that. But we're going to show you how we read building and strengthening order flow and breakout order flow before price has responded. So we're seeing order flow being created that will impact price in our direction most of the time, almost always. In the following weeks, we're going to show you other useful patterns with this concept. This concept has several powerful market entry techniques that can be used to take advantage of it. But our first super signal that we brought into the room and introduced on day one, it was the first trade we caught in the room almost 8 years ago now. It's an emerging order flow entry. We'll reposition our front of future breakout price movement. and it's called the Batman. Now, if you followed our work, you're familiar with the Batman. Let's look at a chart. I'm going to go over this relatively quickly. I could teach it ad infinitum. There's no need. If you come to the room, you'll watch it, see it, you'll understand it before you know it, and you'll be taking advantage of this. So let's look at, before I forget, next week, non-cycling reverse Batmans. It's just very advanced entry technique based on the concept that I'm going to teach you here right quickly. Okay, non-cycling reverse Batmans. Stuck Index Trading Gmail gets an email to us. If you want to come join us, go to that website. There's a nice little discount coupon you can take advantage of, and come and join us, and we'll teach you this and the other patterns that come from order flow breakouts before price moves. And here's what we're looking at. Okay, Batman can read order flow better than anything I've ever seen. Okay, and this is what Batman looks like when nothing's going on, very symmetrical. We don't want this in our trading. There is no advantage, right? But when we see Batman doing this, it's like, okay, order flows building on the upside. Okay, we want to notice this and see if there's an advantage for our trading, right? So here's what Batman looks like. Okay, we get an A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, however you want to count it. Price is going this way. Price is going green, red, green. It's going green, red, green. It's going green, red, green. Okay, price is level, stable, in a state of flux. This, this, this are all price action failures. The market's going up. It should have had an ABC down to tag this. It did not. So this is a failure. You see this big red pressure bar. There's like an overwhelming number of selling orders versus buying orders. You can see, it can be a small amount, no big advantage here. It's going like, we got way too many people, and they're against order flow. Order flow is going up. These people are selling against order flow. These people are selling against order flow. These people are selling against order flow. And you go, well, that's not going to work out for them. Yeah, it's not. These people are selling against massively strong order flow. And in the weeks to come, we're going to look at lots of different ways to use this, but we're going to do the most simple, the most powerful first, and get you on the right track. And then you can expand your level of awareness. So just understand, every time we get what these are, we call these railroad tracks, can be railroad ties. But the market is discussing price, right? There are those that think it should be sold and those that think it should be bought. And we want that. And we want the breakout. See, this is creating this price movement. It does lead it, but it's also creating it. So order flow breakout is creating the future price movement, and away we go. And it's basically it. So the pattern is green, red, green, ABC down. Nope. Do we have evidence that the buyers are going to overwhelm the trapped sellers here? We do. And away it goes. And here's one. See, here we have a 4-dot emerging order flow when price is going sideways. It's hard to imagine a world where this much increase in order flow doesn't squeeze the market up. And of course, we have an entry here that gets us in well before price moves, which our members like. Here's another ABC down. We're supposed to come in, get into this. That's the normal wave count, structure count. It's a failure. We are capped with our proprietary structure support. We get the ABCD up with the breakout here. That's all it takes is that little penetration of that red horizontal line. Really easy to read. And away we go. So that's the Batman and how we can find order flow and price action failures, people trapped on the wrong side and getting in front of future price movement before price itself moves. So this looks like something you want to learn and take advantage of. Look at this little 6 or 7 minute video. Apply the discount coupon. If you have any issues, send us an email, stuckindextradingroom@gmail.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and you'll find more work like this and other inside secrets from people like World Cup trading champion Rob Mitchell. And again, join us next week. We're going to talk about non-cycling Batmans and reverse Batmans. And our members would wish you well, but they would also tell you, you don't want to miss that. So on behalf of Rob Mitchell and an emerging number of world-class traders in the stock index trading room, we wish you the very best in your trading.